the operation first. So in the sheet in front of you, we want to know state whether addition or subtraction. Okay, you are going to use it to solve this question. So how you are going to take your decision, how you are going to take your decision, or to say I'm going to add or I'm going to subtract. It depends on what. Okay, يا
The
جودي.
same number will
The same number and the same sign, or the
Same
different sign, يعني same
or
or
the
different.
different sign. Okay, let me check with you for the first question. In the first question, we have what?
Negative y and y.
Negative y and y. Yes. So this one, we will, your decision now. You are going to add,
Add.
to subtract. You are
To
going to add. Yes. So we will add. Who can tell me why? You said already, Judy, but I want someone to say again. So Judy said she's going to use addition to solve this question, right? Why? Because okay, Reem Guda. Reem.
because there's a number and this additive inverse.
Thank you so much. Because there is a number and its additive inverse. So once we have the number and its additive inverse, so we are going to add. Okay, who will continue to answer this question? We want to answer this question. So how we are going to answer it? You said that we will add, right? So we have x minus y equal 1 and x plus y equal 3.
Yes, so may I answer?
Yes, sure.
هو بس we add the x's and the y صح؟
Yes, we will add x and y.
So it will be 2x.
You have now x minus y equal 1 and x plus y equal 3, right? So we will add.
Yes.
So we will add x. So it will be what? Yes, 2x. 2x.
Plus 2y.
No, we said x plus x, which means 1 plus 1, it will be equal to, right? Now we have negative y plus y. Negative y plus y. It will be how many?
0.
0. So we don't have y. As I said, your decision, you are going to take it to remove one from the two variables. In this question, we have x and we have what? And we have y. We want to remove a variable, which means once you will add, then you have 2x and you don't have y.
Y.
Right? Then 2x equal how many now?
4.
2x equal 4. Then we will divide it both by
2, so it will be x equal 2.
So it will be x equal to Habiba. Habiba.
Yes, yes.
Now you have x equal to ya Habiba. Do you know how we can find the value of y? We said that we will add, then x plus x equal 2x, and 1 plus 3 equal 4. You have 2x equal 4. We will divide it by 2 for both. Then we found that x equal to. Do you know how we can find y? Please concentrate. I will back to you again, ya Habiba.
Okay.
Okay. Who can answer? Maya.
I thought we will stop بعد x.
No, we will not stop after x. We found the value of x, right? So,
yes.
Reem?
We replace it by 2.
We will what?
We will replace the x by 2.
Exactly. We will back to replace the value of x. So we have two equations on the question, right? Two equations, which is x minus y equal 1 and x plus y equal 1. Is there any problem to substitute in the first or in the second? Do you have any problem to substitute in one from both? We can replace in any equation, or we have to replace in the first or replace on the second. Do you have any problem?
No, any equations.
No, we don't have. Yes. Then Nano, continue Nano.
Will you replace the x by 2, so it will be 2 minus y equal 1?
Thank you. Which means you want to replace in the first equation, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Then it will be 2 minus y equal what, Yanano?
1.
Equal 1, yes. And then?
1 y equal 1 plus 2. Y minus 2.
Y minus 2?
Negative y equals
Negative y, okay, equal?
1
1.
minus
I'm waiting for you. 1 minus 2. Yes, okay. Then negative y, it will be equal negative 1. Then we have negative y equal negative 1. Is this in simplest form, Yanano, or we need one more step?
2. One more step.
One more
Over
step.
negative.
Over negative 1. Thank you. Then the value of y, it will be equal how many? It will be equal 1. Then now the answer for this question, it will be, we will stop till this, or we have to find the answer for this question. What is the answer for this question, grade 7? Grade 8, sorry?
2
and 1.
2 and 1.
2 and 1. Yes, 2 and 1. And we have to write the value of x first, and then we will write the value of y. Is there any more step, or we have to stop till this one? We have any more step, or we have to stop?
You can check.
Stop?
We
You can
What about if you want to check your answer?
we will put the I think we will put the
Number instead of
the 2
Yes,
instead of
which
the
means
x
you
and
will
the
back.
1 instead of the y.
Yes, which means you will back, right, in the original equation, and you will check your answer. Then it will be, for the first one, 2 minus 1, it will be equal 1. This is correct. For the second equation, 2 plus 1, it will be equal 3, right? So this is for the first question. We said that we are going to add y. Why we add in this question? Why? Because we have
The additive inverse.
yes, the same number with the additive inverse. Okay.
Miss?
Yes.
Miss, is there like some equations that I should subtract in them?
Yes. Yes, this is the second equation, which I will write it now in front of you.
Okay.
We have another equation, and in this equation, 3y minus x equal 2. The second one is negative. Hannah Al-Helw, you entered? Negative 2y. Hannah Al-Helw. Negative 18. Okay, in this question,
we will make negative 2 minus 3 because we have negative x and negative x. So actually we should make subtract.
we should make subtract. Yes, Yakins. In this question, what do you know, grade 8? Check the coefficient for x. Check the coefficient for x. Did you remember the steps which we said yesterday?
Yes.
We can write this one if you want to write it in. We will write it in
Standard form.
standard form. Thank you. Who will write this one in a standard form? What is the standard form, grade 7, grade 8? What is the standard form?
A plus,
yes. Ax plus
Ax plus 2y equals c.
Ax plus by equal c, right? So I want to write those two equations in a standard form. We will change the sign for the variable x and y. We will change?
No.
No, because we are in the same side. So we have negative x plus 3y equal 2. So this is for the first equation. For the second equation, it will be negative x
minus 2
minus
2y
minus 2y. This is
equal
negative 18. Negative
equal
18.
negative 18. Exactly. Now you have to tell me which operation you will choose. We will check together first the coefficient before x. The coefficient before x is in the
negative
first
1.
equation
Negative
-1. Yes.
negative
The coefficient before x in the second equation is
also
Negative 1.
-1. Then they are the same.
the same.
Once they are the same, so we have to
Subtract.
subtract. Thank you. So once they are the same, so we have to subtract. How we will subtract? We will change the sign for all in the first or second equation, grade 7, grade 8. We will change the sign because negative will change the sign, but you will change the sign in the first or in the second equation.
The second.
Second equation. Thank you. So we will check now. Negative becomes what? Becomes positive.
Positive.
Negative becomes positive. Negative becomes positive. After that, we will now simplify. Is there anyone can continue, please?
Miss, can I?
Lujaina Ayman.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then we will make x equal 18 plus 2y.
Just second. Just second. Now you will add your Lujaina, right?
Yes.
Then it will be negative x plus x. The answer, it will be equal how many? Negative x plus x. So the answer, it will be how many? Negative x
0.
plus x. So the answer, it will be equal
0.
0, right? So we don't have x. Second, 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, it will be how many? 3 plus 2, it will be how many?
5.
It will be equal 5. So we have 5y. 5y equal how many? 2 plus 10, 2 plus 18 equal
20.
20. What is the next step? Sorry?
That's why we are adding.
Because in this case, you have the same number. At the beginning, it was negative 1x and negative 1x. So you have same number and same sign. Then we will
Same
subtract.
number, so why?
When we
Same
change
number
the sign,
subtract.
when you change the sign, we change the sign already. Negative x becomes positive, negative becomes positive, negative becomes positive, then you will add. Understood?
Yes.
Then,
Miss, can you hear me?
yes,
Okay. I was answering, but no one was responding to me.
no. Say, continue, Regina. Then we have negative x plus x now, it will be 0. 3 plus 2, it will be equal, 5. And then 2 plus 18 equal how many?
20.
20. After that, what is the next step, Yaluji?
Sorry, 1 minute. Over 5. Over 5.
Over 5. So we will divide both sides by 5. Then y equal 20 divided by 5 equal what?
4.
Equal 4. Yes. Okay, so we have y equal 4. We will stop till this point, ya Malak. We will stop till this point, y equal 4. We finish the question or we want one more step?
No, we want one more step.
Thank you. So we have to do what? We have to do what? Rashwan? Rashwan? Ahmad,
Yes.
Rashwan? Could you please continue?
Yes.
Y equal 4. Then Hala. 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 Fadia. Aysel.
Miss, can I say?
Okay, Ahmed.
We'll choose one equation from the two equations.
Yes, we will choose one equation from the two equations. So which one you will substitute?
Yes.
First or
The
second?
first one.
The first one. Okay. Tell me.
First.
I'm going to type after you. Huh?
It will be 3y. 3 multiply 3y multiply 4.
3y multiply 4, or you will replace
12y.
Huh? First, we have to write what, ya Ahmed? We have to write negative x plus 3, and then open parentheses and put instead of it what? 4. This one, it will be equal what? Huh? Equal what, ya Ahmed? Equal 2. Then we will use y equal 4. We will take it and we will go up, okay, to replace in the first equation. Then you are going to keep negative x plus 3, substitute the value of y by 4 equal 2. Then negative x plus 12 equal 2. What is the next step? What is the next step, grade 8?
Negative x equal 12 minus 2 minus 12.
Again, it will be negative x equal 2 minus 12, right? Then negative x
equal negative 10.
Negative 10, right?
Negative
Which
10.
means x equal how many? Which means x equal 10, right? Then x equal 10. So what is the solution for this system of equation? The answer, it will be
2 and 10.
10 and 4.
10 and
4.
Yes, it will be 10 and 4, exactly. So it will be 10 and 4. If I want to check my answer, so what I have to do? If I want to check my answer,
replace the number.
you will add and you will replace. So let's check for the first one. And the first equation, it will be, could you please tell me? In the first equation, it will be negative 10, remove x and put please its value, plus 3 times 4, exactly. This is equal, this is equal 2. Yes.
Negative 10 plus
Yes.
12.
So this is equal to. So the left side, we have negative 10 plus 12, which means it will be 2 equal to, right? So we have 2 equal to. So it's correct. What about the second equation? The second equation, it will be negative 10 minus
Negative
2
minus 2
times
4.
4. This is, it will be how many?
4.
Negative 10.
Negative 18.
So it will be
negative 18.
Negative 18. And in your left side, if you will simplify, it will be negative 18. And in the right side, it will be negative 18.
Negative 18.
Then this was a correct answer. It was a correct answer. And the answer equal 10 and 4. Then again, once you have the same number, same sign, as I said, you can say 3s, s, 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 and this is what Miss Sahar said. So we have 4s, right? S, same number, s, same sign, s, subtract, like Miss Sahar said. So how many s do you have? How many s do you have?
4.
4. The first one 4.
4.
same number,
Same
same
number.
sign, you will subtract
Sorry.
like Miss Sahar said. Okay,
Subtract.
same number, same sign, subtract. And the first one for what? For Sahar. Understood? Then when you have a number
Yes.
and it's additive inverse, you will add. You have same number, same sign, then you have to subtract. Is that clear? So this is when you have a system of equation and we want to simplify it or to eliminate by adding addition and subtraction. Then we have two numbers, their sum equal 28 and their difference equal 4. Then let's say that the first number equal x and the second number equal what? Equal 1. So could you please make an equation? It will be what? The two numbers, their sum equal 28. So it will be x plus y equal 28. So this is the first equation. The second equation, he said what? Their difference is 4. So what we have to do?
X plus y
X plus
24.
Their difference. We said that we have two numbers, right? The first number is x, the second number is y. Their sum, so we would say x plus y equal 28,
Miss,
right? Their difference, so it
Miss?
will be, yes,
difference means add or subtract.
subtract.
Okay, so 24.
Subtract. So we have,
X plus y equal 24.
no, the first equation is sum, which means you will add x plus y equal 28. Their difference, which means when you are going to subtract, so the difference between them, it will be equal 4. So it will be minus y
Minus y
equal 4,
24.
right? Equal 4. Then when you add them, equal 28. When you subtract them, equal 4. Then we are looking for the two numbers. Tell me, in this case, you are going to add or to subtract?
Add.
You will add. Why?
Because they're different signs.
Because you have the number and it's additive inverse, right? So it will be 2x, positive y and negative y, cancel them together. And then 28 plus 4, it will be 32, right? Divided by 2 for both, then x equal how many? X plus y equal 28. X minus y equal 4. You will add. So you have 2x equal 32. Then x equal how many?
16.
16. Could you please tell me how you will find the second one? It will be 16
Plus y.
plus y equal 28. Ali. Then y equal 28 minus
16.
16. Then y equal 28 minus 16 equal how many?
12.
12. Then we found the two numbers now, right? The first one is 16 and the second one is 12. Is there anyone can tell me how we will check our answer? We want to check our answer. Tell me please.
Replace x and y.
First,
We replace that by
yes, we will replace in the first one. We said that x equal how many? We found x equal how many?
4.
16.
4.
Equal 16, right?
16.
16 plus. The second number was 12. Is this equal 28?
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
the left side equal the right side. So we are correct. Second, we want to check in the second one because if it's a solution in the equation, so it should satisfy both two equations, which means we have the first number is 16,
16.
right? Minus
16 minus 12 equal
minus
4.
12. This is equal how many? Equal 4. So the both sides equal 4, which means the two numbers which we were talking about was 16 and 12. So we will translate the question into equation. We will translate the question into equation, and then we have two systems of equation, and we will solve them together. Okay? Then again, who can tell me what we already studied yesterday and today? Give me a summary, please, about our lesson. What we studied yesterday and today. Hmm. Who will
Just
explain to me? Yes,
System of
go on.
system of equations by using adding and subtracting.
Just raise your voice, please, and tell me your name.
Hannah Hamdi. As we elimination by using adding and subtracting
Yes.
and system of equation,
Mhm.
and we knew any
How many cases did we study, Hannah?
one or two
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 cases. The first one, when
Uh,
we have,
when they have the same number but different signs, we will add.
yes, because you have the number and it's additive inverse, and the second case is
If it's the same if it's sorry different number صح? And different signs.
different, no, same
لا
number
same number
and
and same
same
sign.
sign. Then you are going
Subtract.
to subtract. Okay?
Subtract.
Okay? You are going
Yes.
to subtract. So this was our lesson about solving a system of equations by elimination, adding and subtracting. This is what the meaning of system of equation already. System means what?
A group of
A
equations.
group of equation. Very good. A group of equation. Now it's your